Hi, welcome to the final update for Cullen Private Wealth for 2015. Probably the big talking point at the moment, or the biggest news currently, is that the US Federal Reserve's just raised interest rates for the first time in 9 years, the first time since they dropped them in 2007. They've only put them up 0.25%, but it shows that the Fed in the US is confident about the state of the economy over there. Markets love certainty, and markets have been very uncertain when this whole process was going to start, and it's been a negative drag on markets for quite a while. The fact that it started, normally it would be a bad thing to see rates go higher, but I think in the US it's actually going to work out very well. Today our market's up strongly, and the US was up strongly overnight, a sign that people know where they stand now, that there's confidence in the economy over there. The US is still the biggest economy in the world, so they're still very important to us. That is a little bit different to what's happened in the past, in that Europe is still looking to stimulate, and so is China, so they're looking more at cutting rates and stimulating their economies just to make sure that they can keep going. But the US is on a fairly solid footing. In Australia, we're not doing too badly. I think we'll probably see rates on hold throughout the whole of 2016 before gradually they'll move higher. I don't think we'll see the high rates that we saw in the past in Australia going up to the high teens. Those sort of interest rates would just kill the economy in Australia. There's too much debt out there for that to happen. So I think we're in for a fairly benign period, with the US slowly raising rates and Australia staying steady for the time being. The effect on our stock market, I think, is probably going to be pretty good. We've had a reasonably poor year. We started the year well, and then it's fallen away towards the end. At the moment, we look as though, unless we have a late rally, that the year will probably end up being a slightly negative one. It's not too common to get a couple of negative years in a row, so I think we're probably likely to see a bounce. I think equity-like prices in Australia look pretty attractive at the moment, and I think we'll see good returns in the next year or two. The outlook, I suppose, is what I would see as consistent interest rates in Australia, reasonably strong equities market. I think property might start to come off a little once people see that rate rises are coming soon. They're the key issues for this time around. I hope everyone's had a great year and enjoys the festive season coming up, and look forward to a good year in 2016. Merry Christmas.